I say this again and again. So probably this is the only place where the doctor, the illness, and the patient, everybody collectively is stigmatized. In that manner that even if I am a health provider, I'm stigmatized for being one. The illness as it is, we all know, is stigmatized by and large. And the patient, the person suffering, is stigmatized for being weak. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashi Agarwal, MBBS, MD Psychiatry, and I bust a lot of mental health myths so that you don't hear things that you do around you to spread stigma. So, hi, I'm here on HT Health Shots to spread more awareness so that you can get the right help at the right time. So, I was born in a medical college. So maybe the journey started from there. So my mom was a practicing resident at that point of time in Department of Pediatrics. So yes, I say this with a lot of privilege that both of my parents are doctors, and this is something that I've seen them do throughout my life. What kind of changes they were bringing in people's lives. How we would hear stories at night about this XYZ patient saved because of some timely intervention, or basically just sharing about it kind of made an impact. I say this again and again. So probably this is the only place where the doctor, the illness, and the patient, everybody collectively is stigmatized. Mental health is something that we are talking about more for the past few years than we did any time before. I wanted to do something in this space. And yes, there was still a lot of hurdle despite being from the similar background. People generally, when you ask around, psychiatry is not something that people would expect you to take up on a first, like, in a first choice. So usually people are like, oh, did you not get something else? Oh, why did you take this? I hope you won't get crazy over a period of time. Hope your personal life is going okay, and things like that. So breaking through this, I knew that there was something to do where I could impact maximum people, still doing something which was different at that point of time. So eventually psychiatry was one thing which I penned down, writing the pros and cons, that okay, this is a fit for my personality, this is something that is going to make me happy, and as well as putting a lot of impact out there socially also. Even if I am a health provider, I'm stigmatized for being one. The illness as it is, we all know, is stigmatized by and large, and the patient, the person suffering, is stigmatized for being weak, or stigmatized for being not strong enough or not exercising enough to fight that out. I would still say, I would be grateful to say that for the past 3-4 years only, just this COVID has changed a lot of scenario around us, where people have started putting a lot of emphasis on their mental health. Or maybe I would say, I would also credit social media a lot in this, that bringing out this awareness. The main issue, or like the main reason that I started the journey there, was that when I was seeing people on a daily basis, when you were going through your work throughout the day, you realize that everybody, like most of the people, had common complaints, and you are just repeating them one after the other. So I used to say this a lot initially, that it's like a tape recorder. I should record these things. I used to say this offline, like I should keep a tape recorder here on my table and you should tap it after every patient comes. That how common are these questions, and sometimes when you are within the circle, you feel it's such a normal thing, it's such a common sense thing. But obviously people coming from outside do not have that information. So the basic reason for starting was that I had a lot of similar questions being asked offline, and I felt that the answers were so simple, and if they could reach the maximum people. Like everything, social media has its pros and cons. There is a thing called FOMO. सब इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. पहले अगर मानो किसी की मम्मी को कंपेयर करना है अपने बच्चे को, वो किससे कंपेयर करेगी? आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू डू, स्टिल यू वुड बी कंपेयर टू योर सिबलिंग, योर नेबर्स, इमीडिएटली जिसको वो देख सकते हैं, या फिर आपके कजन्स. यही रेंज रहेगी. यार न्यूज़पेपर में उन्होंने पढ़ लिया, अरे इस बच्चे के इतने मार्क्स आई है तो स्ट्रीट लैम्प के नीचे पढ़ता था. वी हैव ऑल गॉन थ्रू दी स्टोरीज इन आवर चाइल्डहुड. तो वो आपका कंपैरिजन रेंज वहां है. ये मैं कह रही हूँ अगर पेरेंटल या इन्फ्लुएंशियल साइड पे विद फैमिली. Now when you are adults or even teenagers, मेरा कंपैरिजन का रेंज पूरा वर्ल्ड है. I could be seeing anybody and in real time knowing what they are doing. So if I am studying for an exam today, not knowing दूसरे ने पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है, they might be partying today, and if I see that, that is going to affect me feeling मैं ये क्यों कर रहे हैं. I do not know what do they do. बाकी अपने 1 घंटा, I have seen just a 1-minute story. I do not know what they did do for their 23 hours and 59 minutes of their day. But still, एक मेरे mind में तो वो comparison या कहीं ना कहीं I can be jealous, angry or frustrated with what my life is because I have the whole world to compare myself to. So yes, somewhere people are getting more anxious because they are seeing people what everybody else is doing and everybody wants to do everything, which is practically not possible. First of all, if you are a mother, start treating your children equally. This is not a short fight that we'll solve in a day. This is a generational shift that we are attempting for women's mental health. Let the families, and not just the mother, let the family start treating the children equally. And a lot of people are doing that. I've seen this happen around and it makes me so happy, with equal educational opportunities. Equal, giving them this कि जो चाहे जाओ करियर में अपने कर लो. स्टार्ट वहीं से होएगा, बचपन से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसी तरीके से व्हेन दैट गर्ल इज गोइंग टू ग्रो अप इनटू दैट सोसाइटी, तो ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रेस लेवल कम है तो हैप्पीनेस वाला फैक्टर आ जाएगा. बट वेरी क्विकली, इफ यू आर अ वर्किंग पर्सन, यू हैव XYZ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, आई वुड से टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ. बोलने में बहुत आसान है, यहाँ पे XYZ जब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आती हैं लोग नहीं कर पाते या करने दिया नहीं जाता है, मतलब बहुत चीजें हैं. बट स्टिल मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट देयर इज सम पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ थिंग दैट आई लाइक, विच आई विल डू. ड्रॉ अ लाइन. वी हैव सो मेनी फाइट्स, वी कैन नॉट विन एवरीवेयर. चूज योर बैटल्स वाइजली. अगर हम हर दिन हर चीज से ही लड़ते रहेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली परेशान रहेंगे. वी ऑल नो इट्स नॉट अ बेड ऑफ रोजेस. प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और बहुत सारी हैं, बट ये मेरे को चूज करना है कि मेरे को कितनी बड़ी लड़ाई लड़नी है, कितनी नहीं लड़नी. We have to choose. We cannot win everywhere. एक स्पेशली फॉर यंग वुमेन और यंग फीमेल्स, आपकी स्लीप बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. यू माइट नॉट रियलाइज इट व्हेन यू आर 21 years old or 25 years old. Gradually your body goes through changes and you realize how much less you valued sleep. Figure out yourself. मेरी स्लीप कितनी है, 6 है, 8 है, 10 है, कितने आवर्स हैं और मेरे को इसमें फंक्शनिंग मेरी इम्पेयर्ड हो जाती है. अपनी स्लीप का पता होना चाहिए. तो एटलीस्ट बेसिक ये चीजें करो. इसके ऊपर हेल्दी डाइट, एक गुड लाइफस्टाइल, दिस इज गोइंग टू टेक यू अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस.